Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of data science, where innovation meets artificial intelligence. In today's video, we'll be delving into the incredible impact of ChatGPT on the field of data science. Hey there, data enthusiasts. It's fantastic to have you with us today. I'm Kashif, and we're about to uncover how ChatGPT has revolutionized the landscape of data science. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can analyze and comprehend complex datasets effortlessly. Say hello to ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI language model developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT isn't just your typical AI language model. It's a powerhouse that can interpret, predict, and generate insights from raw data, giving data scientists a whole new way to interact with their information. Before ChatGPT, analyzing massive datasets meant long hours of coding and programming. Now, with ChatGPT, I can simply have a conversation with it, asking complex questions about the data. Gone are the days of sifting through lines of code. ChatGPT's natural language processing abilities make data analysis more intuitive and efficient. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT's impact goes beyond analysis, it sparks innovation. By generating creative ideas and solutions, it acts as a catalyst for groundbreaking discoveries. Data scientists now have a partner that not only assists them but collaborates with them to push the boundaries of what's possible. The influence of ChatGPT extends across industries, transforming the way we approach challenges. In healthcare, it aids in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical data. In finance, it predicts market trends with remarkable accuracy. And in technology, it's driving advancements that were once deemed science fiction. So, what does this mean for you, our viewer? It's an invitation to be part of the data revolution. Whether you are a seasoned data scientist or someone passionate about the possibilities of AI, ChatGPT empowers you to harness the potential of data in ways you've never imagined. And there you have it, the remarkable impact of ChatGPT on data science. From simplifying analysis to igniting innovation, this AI marvel has truly reshaped the field. Thank you for joining us today. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more captivating content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of data science. Stay curious, stay innovative, stay informed. Until next time, from all of us here, have a data-inspired day.